What's up, guys? Another week, 3 new parts. No dog yet. Ready? Hey, look, there's a dog. It's a fun cue.
You almost face planted.
Keeping this in.
Okay, that looks like that squishes the ball. And that is connected to your frame. And it...
Yup.
It's like your hip joint. It's like it moves in there with like the joint.
Honestly, you didn't get it right where it goes, but you're pretty close.
That's for windshield washer fluid.
Damn. How'd you get that so quickly? Because of the logo on the cap?
No, there's a logo on the cap? Oh, yeah. Oh, it also
It
says
says
windshield
windshield
washer. Okay, I swear I knew it before that.
How'd you know that?
Because it's plastic. Also, I filled that up before.
So proud of you. Last part. Good luck. I'm really glad that those labels are scratched off.
That is a starter.
You know, we already did a starter like 4 weeks ago.
That's an alternator.
We did an alternator a few weeks ago, too.
That is something.
Perfect. It's something.
That's a computer of some sort.
Okay. See you guys next week.
Can I see the dog face planting?